Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard English, third term, places in my town. In that lesson, places in my town, what are the places? Okay, so here they are given the book. So this is poem they are given, but places in my town. ஸோ உங்களுடைய ஊரில் என்னென்ன பிளேசஸில் இன் மை டவுன் வாட் ஆர் த பிளேசஸ் அது ஹியர் தே ஆர் கிவன் as a school. First we have been saying school, then post office you have been saying in your places. உங்கள் பிளேஸில் எந்தெந்த இடம் இருக்குது, and then library, hospital, police station. So these places you might have seen already in your while you are going along with your parents, and school, everything. And here you can other places, market, bus stop, park, zoo and railway station. So in the place எல்லாமே நீங்கள் விசிட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. So all these places are in your town, each and every town these places are there. What are the places? School, post office, library, hospital, police station, market, bus stop, park, zoo and railway station. These are the places. So in these places in my town, now we are going to see about a breezy beach. Let us sing. That is a poem. Say breezy beach. Breezy beach, now you know what do you mean by the beach. Breezy beach na nalla chill na kaathirukra beaches. So in this poem we will see the poem now. Breezy wind in the morning. So morning la chill nu irukum pathina ka beach poi pathina chill nu irukum. Breezy wind in the morning. Dark clouds keep growing. Dark clouds keep going, for it could start raining. For it could start raining. Daya and his father go horse riding. Okay, these are the first 4 lines about the poem. So here, breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep going, for it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. So breezy wind in the morning la the wind will be wind na kaathu, that will be very breezy and cool, very chill. Okay, then dark clouds keep going. So dark clouds mela poite irukum, for it could start raining. So mala varathukku munadi it's going to be the dark clouds. So for it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. Appa Daya and his father inga poranga horse riding. Okay, these are the 4 lines. So breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. So காலையில் காற்று ஜில்லுன்னு அடிக்குது, and suddenly the dark clouds keep going. Clouds வந்து ஸ்கையில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகிட்டு வருது. For it could start raining, மழை பெய்ய ஆரம்பிக்க போகுது. Daya and his father go horse riding. Dayaன்ற பாயும் அவங்க ஃபாதரும் they are going in a horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue. The sea is so vast and blue. ஸோ சி எப்படி இருக்குது, வேஸ்ட்னா பெருசாக எவ்வளோ தூரம் எங்கே ஆரம்பித்து எங்கே முடியுதுன்னு தெரியாது இல்லையா. ஸோ இட்ஸ் வேஸ்ட், சச் அ பிக் ஒன், அண்ட் ப்ளூயிஷ் கலர். The waves run coming to you. So if you are going to a beach and standing near the shore, what will happen? The waves உங்ககிட்ட வரும் இல்லையா. The wave comes running to you. The waves come running to you. Then he builds a castle on the sand. He builds a castle on the sand. And decorates it with decorates with shell, with the shells in his hand. Okay. So if you are going to the beach, what will do? You will do a castle and the manal gobura mari seivom illaya. So after that we'll build a castle and decorating a kuti shells will be the small shells will be there and conches sangu mari irukum. So many shapes will be there, so you can decorate that castle. So the sea is so vast and blue. The sea is so vast and blue. The waves comes running to you. The waves comes running to you. He builds a castle on the sand and decorates it with the shells in his hand. He builds a castle on the sand and decorates it with shells in his hand. So this is the poem about the 8 lines of the breezy beach, that is places in my town. So once again I'm repeating, breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep going, for it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue, the waves comes running to you. He builds a castle on the sand and decorates it with shells in his hand. So these are the 8 lines of the poem. So memorize it. And your rhyming words. So rhyming words from the morning, raining. Okay, morning, raining, going, riding, going, riding. Then blue, you. That phonic sound will be the same. Blue, you, and sand, hand. Okay, these are the rhyming words here. So at the end of the line, you can say this rhyming word. So once again I'm repeating this. Breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. Keep growing, not going. This is growing. Growing. Okay, yeah, dark clouds vandite irukku. So dark clouds varumbodhu what will happen usually? It could start raining. So Daya, a boy, and his father goes on horse riding. So the sea is so vast, is so big and blue. The waves comes running to you. He builds a castle on the sand and decorates it with shells in his hand. So rhyming was didn't given. So just I have given on my own. Now next we will move on to the next one is. So the breezy breeze on the poem illaya. Now we will see Unit 3, places in my town. This is the 3rd unit, illaya. And the unit we have seen the poem. Now we are going to see about a cloud of trash. Yeah. Places in my town. First we have seen the breezy wind poem. Now we are going to learn a cloud of trash. Trash means kuppai. Okay, a cloud of trash. Let us learn. Page number 109. Okay, so in this, a lesson about a girl. Charu was a smart and bright girl. She was always kind to all, but she was the unhappiest girl among her friends. So the name of a girl is Charu. She was very smart and she is a bright girl, Buddhisaliyam kuda. And she was always kind to all. Ellarkittiyum romba anba iruppa. She was very kind, but she was the unhappiest girl. Why? She is a very unhappiest girl. Ellarkittiyum anba irukkranga happy ah than irukkanum, but she is unhappiest girl. Sandoshame illama iruppa. Why? Even among her friends. She was certainly the unhappiest girl in the entire class. She was perhaps the unhappiest girl in the world, or at least that's what she felt. Even in the world, she was perhaps even in the world, she won't be happy at all. She is the romba sandosham illama irukra ore girl. At least that's what she felt. அவள் அப்படி நினச்சிக்குவாளா. ஓகேயா. What about her friends? Charu had no friends anymore. அவளுக்கு வந்து ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸே கிடையாது. No one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud hanging over her head. யாருமே அவ கூட விளையாட மாட்டாங்க. Because அவள் ஹெட்டுக்கு மேலே ஒரு clouds, black clouds will be hanging like this. It's just a story. So it's a கற்பனை தான். It's not a this. ஸோ அவளுக்கு என்ன அந்த black clouds, why it's hanging ஒன்று அவள் தலை மேலே எப்போ ஒரு black clouds will be hanging like this. Okay, the black clouds like this hanging. Black clouds அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். In this black clouds அதில் என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு தெரியுமா? அந்த black cloudsக்குள்ளே orange peels. The cloud had orange peelனா ஆரஞ்சு பழத்துடைய தோல். And biscuit packets, you know the biscuit packets after eating the biscuit packets. So in the black cloudsல orange peel. What is that? Orange peel. Then biscuit cover, biscuit packets, then broken toys, then and pencil shavings, pencil sharp பண்ணி போடுவீங்க இல்லையா? So pencil shavings, then plastic bottle, twisted plastic bottle. So the nothing in a plastic bottle எல்லாமே இந்த crowd of trash. குப்பைன்னு அர்த்தம். Trash means just a rubbish. Trashனா rubbish, தேவையில்லாத குப்பைகள், unwanted things. ஓகேயா? thrown away unwanted things தான் trash, rubbish. So and then வேறு என்ன இருக்கும்? plastic bottles and colorful plastic bags. Colorful plastic bags also. Colorful plastic bags. Okay, so in that black clouds, in that இது இருக்குது அந்த black clouds ஒரு தலைக்கு மேலே ஹேங்கிங் எப்போவுமே இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஷீ இஸ் ஹேவிங் தட் கற்பனை அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எண்ணம். ஸோ அந்த clouds adds a orange peels and then biscuit packets, broken toys, pencil shavings and twisted plastic bottles and colorful plastic bags, all surrounded by a swarm of buzzing flies. ஸோ அதை சுற்றி என்ன இருக்கும்? ஃப்ளைஸ் தான் இருக்குது. இப்போ பாரு, ஈக்கள் அப்படியே சுற்றிகிட்டே இருக்கும். Nobody wanted to play with a girl who had a cloud of trash is to be given over her head. So யாருமே அவளை கூட வந்து nobody is like to play. They wanted to play who is having like this. இது எல்லாமே அவள் தலை மேலே ஒரு black clouds மாதிரி இருந்தாக்கா nobody wants to play. Even if a rotten peel feels on your head, suppose ஒரு அழுகின வாழைப்பழம், rotten banana peel, ஓகேயா? rotten banana peel means அழுகின banana அப்படியே தோல், வாழைப்பழத்தோல் நம்ம தலைமையிலேருந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? வெரி பேட். ஸோ சாரு couldn't even play hide and seek anymore. அவளால் ஓடி ஒளிஞ்சு hide and seekனா தெரியும், விளையாட முடியல. The cloud would always give an her away. Let's walk to the school together, she said to Sona. So cloud will always come follow her along with this. So she said, let's walk to the school together. Sona and friend கிட்ட போய் என்ன சொன்னானா? நம்ம ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து போகலாம், let's walk together. But Sona ran off in the opposite direction. As soon as they saw that Charu is coming with the clouds on over her head, so what she done? She started running in the opposite direction. She asked, may I borrow your pencil? She asked the Jhansi, no friend. She asked the Jhansi. But what Jhansi had made? Jhansi made a face and changed her seat and go and sit with Asha. Jhansi vandanapara, she sat with Anita next to Asha. She changed her place and she sit along with Asha. Charu even had to eat her lunch alone. So அவ என்ன பண்ண Charu? She has to eat the lunch வந்து தனியாக சாப்பிட்டாங்க. So nobody is willing to play with her. Charu knew that she should have listened to her Amma. Charuக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் அம்மா சொன்னதை கேட்கணும்னு. What Amma told her? Amma always told her not to litter. அதாவது குப்பைகளை கண்ட இடத்துல போடக்கூடாது. That is not to litter. Even whatever we said, no, this banana peel or orange peel or biscuit packets, any plastic bottles, whatever the eatables covers, you should put it only in the dustbin or you should not throw it on the road or anything anywhere inside the house. But Charu's Amma always told her not to throw like this. Don't throw banana peel on the road. Throw the empty biscuit packet in the dustbin. These are all advised by the Charu's Amma to Charu. So she know that she should not listening to a mother. Periyar amma solradala kekka maatrona. So that's why she is having always in the read enna ella thol what are the plastics, that trash kuppaigal sonnilla, that always hanging over her head. But Charu never listened. She never listened to her amma. She only laughed and kept littering. So sirchite enna panna always she will do and the littering na ella papers anganga she will put. And she didn't care about her surroundings, even her surroundings. We have to keep it clean. But she should not care. She is not caring about anything. Then one day, Amma became very angry and said, soon all this trash will start following you. So you are not obeying me. So what will happen? Soon the trash, all this rubbish will start following you. Charu just laughed. Adukku she laughed and managed. The next morning, Charu woke up to a foul smell and the sound of buzzing flies. So next morning, Charu thungi eduthu what she had feel? Some bad smell, foul smell, bad smells. You might have seen, no? You might have feel it also. And sound of buzzing flies. So engayada andha mari or rubbish or foul smell that will be around the flies also will be there. A cloud of trash was hanging over her head. Amma's words had come true. So on the cloud of trash, Amma சொன்னாங்க இல்லையா, so அந்த cloud எங்கே இருக்க அவள் தலை மேலே சுற்றிட்டே இருக்கு. So Charu tried to run away. So ஓடினாலாம் Charu, she tried, but the trash also followed everywhere. She tried it to sweep the cloud with a broom. Even she take a broom and she swept it, but she could not get rid of it. She tried everything. என்னென்னமோ பண்ணி பார்த்தாலும் அந்த cloud வந்து அவள் மேலே தலை மேலேருந்து போகவே இல்லை. So she screamed and asked the cloud to leave her alone. So suddenly என்ன பண்ணலாம், she screamed, கத்துனால ஐயோ என்னை விட்டுடு. She started screaming and asked the cloud to leave her alone. She even tried to throw it into the dustbin also. அது டஸ்ட்பின்லையும் போடலாம், but it just couldn't go. அப்படியே அது போகல. So Charu became very unhappy. அவளுக்கு சந்தோஷமே இல்லாமல் போயிடுச்சான். Then something happened. Suddenly ஏதோ ஒன்று நடந்தது. What happened? Charu saw Bala throwing a banana peel on the road near the bus. So one of her friends, Bala, a schoolmate, she saw that Charu saw a banana peel, வாழைப்பழத்தோல, he threw it on the road near the park. Charu was annoyed. அவளுக்கு ஷாக் ஆகிடுச்சு. அவங்க மம்மி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, not to throw anything on the road. Could he not see the cloud over her head? ஸோ அப்போ அவன் க்ளவுட்ஸ் அவன் தலை could he not see the cloud over it? அவன் போடுறானே, அப்போ அவன் மேலே க்ளவுட்ஸ், அவன் தலை மேலே க்ளவுட்ஸ் இல்லையே அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சாலாம். அவன் தலையில் சுற்றுமே, could he not see? அவன் பார்க்கலையா அப்படின்னு. she yelled, don't throw the peel on the road, someone will slip. ஸோ அங்கேருந்து கத்துனாலாம், don't throw the banana peel on the road, someone will slip. இல்லையா, ஏன்னா ரோட்டில் போடும்போது யாராவது சப்போஸ் if they keep their legs, what will happen? They will fall down. Bala scared of the trash cloud and threw the peel in the dustbin. உடனே பாலா என்ன பண்ணா, சாருவோட தலைக்கு மேலே அந்த cloud of trash இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை பார்த்துட்டு suddenly he took a banana peel and put it on the dustbin. The next day the trash cloud had become smaller. So next day அந்த சாரு தலைக்கு மேலே அந்த trash cloud, it becomes smaller. She wondered, how did that happen? Then Charu saw Amuda auntie throwing away the plastic bags near the hospital. Suddenly morning, now what she has done, that next house auntie, she threw a plastic cover near the hospital, plastic bag. இங்கேருந்து சாரு என்ன சொன்னா, ஆண்டி ப்ளீஸ் பிக் அப் தீஸ் பேக்ஸ், ஐ ஆம் ஷுர் யூ கேன் ரீயூஸ் தெம். ஸோ அந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் பேக்ஸை எடுத்து வச்சுக்கோங்க, நீங்கள் திருப்பி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். வி கேன் ரீயூஸ் த பிளாஸ்டிக் பேக்ஸ். Amuda auntie pick up the bag and she left. So அந்த ஆண்டி என்ன பண்ணாங்க, she picked the bag and she left out. The next day when Charu woke up, the cloud was much smaller. So again next day என்ன பண்ணா, Charu தூங்கி இருந்தது, அந்த cloud வந்து it became much smaller. You know why children? Because if you are doing the good things, என்னாச்சு, அவளோட clouds வந்து black clouds become smaller and smaller. Okay, so first day is பாலா கிட்ட என்ன சொன்னா, don't throw the banana peel on the road. So அப்போவே அந்த cloud கொஞ்சம் small ஆயிடுச்சு. And then again that Amuda auntie throw the plastic bag. So what she told, don't throw the plastic bag, you can reuse them. சொன்னது again the cloud become the smaller because அவங்க அம்மா சொன்னது இவர் சொல்லும்போது, so she accepted what her mother said. The next day when Charu woke up, the cloud was much smaller. So in next day பார்க்கும்போது cloud வந்து smaller இருந்தது. And she smiled. அவ தானே smile பண்ணிட்டு she knew what she had to do. இப்போ அவளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சா this cloud will go off. When someone throw away a biscuit packet or pencil shavings in the school, Charu stopped them. So யாராவது சாப்பிட்டுட்டு பிஸ்கெட் பேக்கெட்ஸ் கீழே போடுறதோ அதர்வைஸ் பென்சிலை ஷார்ப் பண்ணி சீவிட்டு அந்த கீழே போடுறதோ she stopped them. Don't put it on the ground, put it in the dustbin, she said. She picked up every twisted plastic bottle near the hotel and put it in the dustbin. So some எல்லாருமே இந்த plastic bottle, cool drinks and water or whatever they drank, they will put the plastic bottle outside the water. So she took the plastic bottle and put it inside the dustbin. So the village become cleaner and cleaner. So our in the village every in the very clean it become, and Charu's clouds become smaller and smaller. Konjama Charu kedi mele the clouds and the small it become very small until one day it had gone. Apra pata the clouds it gone, completely gone. And Charu was now perhaps the happiest girl in the world. So avada romba sandoshamana girl in the world. She becomes very happiest girl, and she never littered again. Secretly she liked having the village clean. So அதே மாதிரி திருப்பி வந்து எந்த லிட்டர்னா எந்த திங்ஸுமே கீழே போடுறது unwanted covers, plastic bags, pills, everything. She is not littering anything. And secretly she liked having the village clean. Even அந்த வில்லேஜை கூட எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் ஏதாவது திங்ஸ் பார்க்கறனால she put it in the dustbin. But she was also scared that the trash could come back one day. Who knows? என்னைக்காவது ஒரு நாள் வரலாம், பட் வராது இல்லையா? If you are good means it won't come. If you are bad, if you are not doing it properly, only the trash cloud will come. Who knows? Okay, someday. But if you follow it daily and if you will be, we should not be put anything outside, only to put the dustbin. Okay, do you litter things in your village? So நீங்கள் உங்கள் வீட்லேயோ ஹவுஸ்லேயோ உங்கள் சரௌண்டிங்ஸ்லேயோ don't throw the plastic bags or bottles anything near the road or like that. Okay, so do you put? No, you won't put. Okay children, so this is the lesson about the trash cloud. And now we will move on to the next page number. Now we will do the exercise. Page number 112. Here they are given circle the right word. Let us understand it. Let us understand. So in this let us understand, they are given the circle the right word. They are given letter. So which one is the correct word? A is circle the right word. So in this, litter is correct. Which spelling is correct? Litter or letter? So litter is correct. Next one, rain or trash cloud. So which one is correct? Here they are given the picture. So the rain or trash cloud, or this is the trash cloud. Here I didn't draw the picture, I just write the words. Hospital and hotel, they are given the one picture. We have to see and write hospital or hotel. If you are having the book, take out your book and do the page number 112. That is the A only I am writing now. So this is the hotel. So circle this one. Okay children. Now the next one is write the correct letter to match. Match the following they are given. Same page only. Same letters understand. B வந்து write the correct letter. Write the correct letter to match. So in this, A, Amuda, and B, Charu they are given, and C, Jhansi, and D is Amma, and E is Sona. Okay, so here they are given the match. So we can write here Amuda, cloud of trash. Cloud of trash. And here next one is plastic covers. And third one is ran off. Fourth one is changed her seat. Changed her seat. And angry at Charu. So in this you can write the correct answer. Amuda, what you have done? Amuda, plastic cover. So put A. Okay. And then Charu, cloud of trash. This is B. And Jhansi changed her seat. Amma is angry at Charu. And then Sona ran off. So this is the answer. For A, Amuda is plastic covers. B, Charu, cloud of trash. C, Jhansi is changed her seat. And Amma, the angry at Charu, that is D. And Sona is the E, ran off. Okay, so this is the master following. We will see the question answer later on. And now the next exercise is they are given the page number 113. Fill in the blanks with a picture related to the public places. So what is this picture related to the public places? This is inject. They are given the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Page number 113. Page number 113. Here they again first picture is, first one is inject. Second one is post. And third one is okay, we'll say this D dashed. Oh, so this okay, now this also I will write later. Now we'll go on, we will see the next one, that is page number, let us say, and repeat these words, okay? Here, listen to the sound and repeat. Pear, bear, pear, and this is beer. Okay, page number 114. So pronounce these words, pear and beer. Care, snare. See the pronouncing words. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. This one the D-A-I-R-Y, dairy. So like this you can repeat the words. Okay. Pear, bear, bear, tear, sneer, rare, dare, care, aware, share, and air, hair, A-I-R, air. Air சொல்லணும். H-A-I-R, hair. இது வந்து air, this is the hair, and fair, pair, stare. AIR the air, மீதியெல்லாம் HFP வரும்போது pair, hair, stare. And you have to say this pronouns of words and repeat again and again. This is a big brown bear. Blue gems are rare. The pure is green. The chair is made of wood. Like this you have to say the reading practice. And here they are given the some of the missing letters. So in this missing letters, they are given the options also. Page number, circle and fill the correct letter. Prepare, E-R-E, prepare. Okay, in the dash you can write. Then second one is stare, S-T-A-I-R. In the options they are given E-A-R or A-R-E. For each and every word they are given the options. You have to take out and write the correct word. Then where, W-E-A-R, where. So here are given A-I-R-E-A-R. Okay. Then fourth one, pair, P-A-I-R. So you can write A-I-R, A-R-E. Like that the fill in the blanks in down also they are given. Just they are given the picture. Okay, so we have to see the picture and write. Hair, H-A-I-R. அதே மாதிரி hair, rabbit, H-A-R-E, hair. Then tear, T-E-A-R, tears, கண்ணீர் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, this one. And then fairy, F-A-I-R-Y. So this is the words from the page number 115. This is page number 115, and this is also page number 115. Okay children, so learn these words and fill in the blanks with the correct options. Like this you can write. Okay children, so learn all this and note down everything in your book. We will see in the next class. Thank you.